Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So it dawned on me on my way home from work that tonight is card club night, and so I have to be out of here in an hour and a half. So I am going to share the June Hero Arts monthly kit that I get, and my July came in today, so we're going to get 2 kits today. So if anybody sees anything they like in the June kit, if they go to Hero Arts, some of it can be purchased separately, so just letting you know. The main components, those are like kit only option, you know, like they only come in the kit, but there's lots of like awesome add-ons. So it's definitely worth going to check and see what they have. I'm not an affiliate with them. You know, I'll include the link, or you can just type in Hero Arts and look for their subscription box. They are a subscription box that I do like, and I've been with them for probably a year and a half now, maybe a little longer. I'm not quite sure. Can't remember. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Ding the bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I do try to get back to everybody. I should be making more progress this weekend. I don't have quite as busy a weekend as I've been having, so I'm hoping to definitely catch up on my emails and comments, and so yeah. So let's see what we got for June. I did take a sneak peek at it. If anybody's curious, hold on. That so this kit runs $34.99 a month, and that includes the shipping. I don't know if I got a discount for, you know, having a recurring subscription. I didn't pay attention to that, but and I have peeked at this one again. This is the the June. I apologize. And so this one, I honestly think June was like a big craft month. Like we've been seeing a lot of crafting material that is craft related, so scissors and, you know, just stuff like that. And so this fell right in line with that. And it looks like June was their 45th anniversary, so they included a special 45th anniversary pin. So that was cool. I didn't know that. And then they always come either wrapped in ribbon or some twine. And so this month was twine, and you get quite a bit. I mean, look at all that. You get quite a bit of twine. So here are the stamps. You know what? Oh, you can't see it all. Give me just a second. We're gonna set that down. And if you're new to Hero Arts, the really fun thing about their kits is, sorry, I'm trying to get this sticky stuff off. I don't want it sticking to my desk. The add-ons sometimes are more fun than sometimes the actual kit base is. And I've actually haven't been paying attention lately, just because I've been so, you know, lots of stuff going on in our life, that I've been missing out on some of the add-ons because they sell out quickly. But look at that. I mean, that is just craft heaven right there. We have our washi, watercolor, scissors, paintbrushes, fountain or quill pens. We could actually kind of pass that off as a toothpaste, huh? More watercolor. Do what you love. A crafty life is a happy life. Handmade with love. You're so nice. You inspire me. Hi there. Thanks for being awesome. Craftiness is happiness. Sending crafty hugs. Make stuff. Be happy. You make this world a beautiful place. And so lots of really great sentiments. And okay, so y'all, Mustache is over here on the side getting into stuff. And if anybody's followed my early craft room series, you know that that corner over there is where I have all the stuff that I need to shred. I haven't even gone near that side, so it's still bad. If anybody are wondering why, both my husband and I, we've been hacked financially quite a few times, and so I don't let anything go out in the trash until it goes through the shredder. So, yeah. So anyway, so this is, I believe, a 6x8 stamp set. So that's a really big stamp set. The best part, not the best part, so they always come on one of these neat cards, and this is always themed each month. So this one's craft, obviously, and you can actually use this in like a little mini album or some little mini spread or something like that. And then look what's on the back. Coordinating dies. There's always a coordinating die set with the stamps that come each month. Come on. Hold on. It's stuck to the package. Oh, my bad. That's Karma. Whoops. Hold on. Nope, I don't want to bend anything. So there are the dies. So the only extras in this here is they made a yarn, a heart of yarn here. And so you have the inside and you have the border. So you can actually use this for other stuff. And then this one here is not featured in the stamp set. But, okay, here comes Carmen, guys. Come on. She just climbed up the chair back and leaped over my shoulders. But you could use this one here for, like, if you're wanting to do like a cross stitch, crochet, or not a cross stitch, geez, crochet, anything themed that way. So I thought that was neat. You could stick that through your little ball heart of yarn there. So I thought that was neat, fun. I'm saying neat a lot, aren't I? So that's that. Hi, Karma. So it also came with, dump this out over here, and then we will go over what everything is. So it also came with, it says one fancy die. So this must be the fancy die, I guess. Then it comes with 1/2 ounce of purple sparkling embossing powder. And Hero Arts has some really great embossing powder, so I really love that. And look at that. Are you giving your little Karma seal of approval there, young lady? Comes with a clear embossing watermark cube. And I keep all my cubes. I get a whole bunch of those Tim Holtz, like, mini cube tins, and I store them like that. Comes with lavender washi tape, not to be confused with the purple masking or purple tape that everybody, you know, is going goo-goo crazy over this year. And then 5 little mini clothespins. So that is the base kit for June. I think it's really fun, and I don't like the adhesive on here, but it actually comes off not too hard, especially if you have the little adhesive or little rubber eraser deal. So that is June. We're just going to set this off to the side here. Karma, yeah, thank you, sweetheart. I'm going to set that over there. Let me stick this stuff back in here because she'll go chasing it around the floor if I don't. All right, so that is June, guys. Okay, let's take a peek at July. I haven't even opened it yet. So, thank you 45 times. They're celebrating their 45 years of creativity from the Vault design. So it looks like they might be pulling stuff from older releases. And so this is showing what came last month. So I thought, yeah. All right, let's see. I am really weird. I like to try and get the tape off without tearing the tissue paper, and I succeeded. Okay, Karma, are you going to play Little Miss Vanna White? Oh, there's quite a bit. Well, yeah, there's actually quite a bit this month. I'm going to set that aside and let's see. So this looks like it's outdoors, like camping. Comes with some green and blue. I want to call it raffia, but it's not really raffia. It's got more of a plastic texture to it. So, I mean, that might be a good thing. I got to keep this one, Karma, because there she goes. She's going after it. Okay, let's take this out. Come on. Ah. Okay. No. No. Yeah, now she's standing on the keyboard. Oh, there we hid it from you. So, get off of there, sweetie. Stop! Okay, so this is fun. I'm sure I'll get some use out of it. This may not be something I'll use a lot. Now this here, I can see myself using these for like some down on the ocean dock scenes or something, but maybe not on the lake. But this is beautiful because you have your base and then you're layering stamps to go on top of it. So if you want to, sweetie, you can put snow on your mountains. You can have different shaded evergreens. We have some cattails. It's your birthday, relax and enjoy. Wish you were here. Life is better at the lake. Greetings from my happy place. Sending a splash of love. But, you know, this would be really great for masculine cards. We don't, you know, y'all know, we don't get a lot of masculine crafty goodies out there. So we'll have to see what I possibly come up with. If I think I'm not going to use this much, this may be a giveaway. I do have a previous month. I think I moved it. Here it is. Is this it? Yeah. So I never featured this one. I believe, I'm guessing it's May. I'm not sure. Ow. Okay, there she goes again at my toes. I don't know. I may or may not give this away. If anybody's interested in anything in here, like I'm happy to stamp a whole bunch of images for you and then cut them out. That way you can either color them or if I would do it on white paper, of course, white cardstock. And so let me know. I don't mind sharing. This one here, it depends if I can come up, if I decide I'm going to use this for some ocean projects, but we'll see. So anyway, there's that, and then here are, come on, let's see, come on off. Okay. Let me tell you, her teeth, are getting sharper and sharper. And then there are the dies. So, So actually, am I right? No, I got it backwards. You can actually, maybe I don't. So there's that. Maybe that goes. So it looks like you would layer these two stamps, and then you have this one here that you can cut out and like layer and like a deep green or evergreen cardstock. Cut it out and then layer it in front of those so you have a little bit of dimension. Oh, jeez. Darn it. Karma, I love you. I mean, you got everything here. You can cut out the little floaties. Yeah, just they think of everything when they send these kits out. So that is July. I was kind of hoping it would be more patriotic, but oh well. Okay, Karma, I might have to spank your tushy. Ow, no. Oh, I'm sorry, everybody. Maybe she's going through her terrible twos. I have no idea. But it hurts. Okay. Come here. You got to get up here. I can't take that. Get out from under the chair. Come on. Sorry if my head was in the way. Okay, there's that. Let's see what else came. They included cardstock, so we can make cards or we can layer. That's not good for the computer, sweetie. Definitely the older she's getting, the more trouble she's getting into. So it comes with 2 layering dies. Come here. 5 ink cubes, a ½ ounce of the blue pearl. It says blue pearl embossing powder, so I'm not sure if it changes color or it has a blue tint to it. So we'll have to see. And 4 sheets of Hero Arts paper. But it doesn't really give any colors. But it obviously matches the green and the blue. So that is July. If you want some inspiration, I want to say her name's Stephanie Davis or Stephanie Davies. I found her probably 1.5 years, 2 years ago, and it was after following some of her unboxings. Oh, jeez, girl. That I started subscribing to this kit, and she does really phenomenal. Okay, this is not going to work. Come here. I'm going to hold you, and you're going to like it. So I'll hunt her YouTube channel down, include it in the description if you want to go check out her channel. She, like I said, she does some really great project shares. She also is another one I follow as far as watercolor goes. She does some amazing watercolor hauls, and it's not good for the pocketbook when she does them. For me, anyway, because then I feel like I have to go buy them. But, so that's it, guys. That is the June and July my monthly Hero Arts subscription box, and go check them out. Go look and see what the add-ons are for the July. You can still find a lot of the June add-ons, so there's some really cute crafty add-ons in there that aren't terribly priced. If you have a subscription box and you buy the add-ons, they'll hold them and ship it with your box, so you don't have to pay any shipping, which I think's, you know, a pretty good deal. But anyway, I have to start getting ready to leave here soon. I hope you guys have a great night. Remember, tomorrow is Crafty Chit Chat. I think we're aiming for 4. I'll be sending out a community post about that. And she's chasing my foot to eat it. I can't remember what I was supposed to demo tomorrow. I'm gonna have to think on that. Anyway, y'all have a good night. I will see you later. As always, love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.